getting a smaller amount, you know, if you needed it. If you needed the more, if you're doing a long nails, you can definitely add more. The other rose, my brush, right there, right there. That was the second shell. No, second shell right here. Babe, listen. No. Right there, second shell. The little bling bling. Second one, second. Phía trong. My E5 beads. Okay, so I am go ahead and using condensed glue gel right on the top of the not keying the condensed glue gel yet. And oh my gosh, that is so beautiful, transcended. I want this one. I want a gold one. Okay, I'm gonna do the gold. I'm gonna do this nail is completely gold, and here is the heart. I'm loving it. It's hard for you to see it because it's see-through, which is I'm so obsessed about. This one is see-through too. It's only you experience it when you're wearing it, but you can see the angle of it. It's so sparkles. So I'm gonna add some beads on. Am I still on it? Hey babe. Can you check any comments? Da, 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 da. Hey everyone, happy Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna put the beads right between the joints of the crystal. On the connects between the crystal. And then you see I finished the design with like look like a triangle beads. So I did 2 first and then do the last one to close up. This is so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add this one on. Not where I'm at. It looks so adorable. It's just see-through, so you can't really see it, but it kind of see it like look like a glass on the nails. I'm using a transcended crystal kit. By adding condensed glue gels and no white top coat is not only it finish the looks after you're done. So you don't have to worry about is a tacky layer off because the top coat, it will take care of everything. The no white top coat will take care of everything. And also the condensed glue gels and no white top coat will double secure all your crystals and it keep all your crystals and stay in one place. Can you Just don't hit me, babe.
And a quick reminder, any product is intended to use is available online at glitzsuch.com.
Oh my gosh. That is so... Okay, let me clear and then I will show you. It looks so stunning and trendy. Absolutely. This one doesn't have any glow in the dark crystal at all. Maybe I can do a couple, just a smaller bit right here. Just a small right there. To show... That's it. I like that a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna flash here really quick, 30 seconds. Here you go, camera. Can't see it until I have a